If you want to make your ElevenLabs voice sound more natural, expressive, and human, one of the easiest things you can do is add a laugh directly into the script. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a laugh in ElevenLabs using the 11v3 model and how to get the best results by adjusting the settings the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick AI voice tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open your ElevenLabs speech synthesis dashboard. This is where you'll create and edit your voice output. Once you're inside, make sure you select the 11v3 model from your settings. This is important because the V3 model supports direct emotional control using text tags, which gives you more flexibility when you want your voice to sound expressive. Next, before you type in your script, adjust the stability slider. For this effect, you'll want to lower it slightly, usually somewhere around 30% to 40%. The reason for this is simple. Lower stability gives the AI more room to be dynamic, expressive, and less robotic. If the stability is too high, your laugh cue may sound flatter or less natural. Now comes the key step. Insert your laugh cue directly inside square brackets in your script. For example, you can type something like this, laugh. You can place it where you want the laugh to happen naturally in the line. This tells ElevenLabs where to add that emotional expression during generation. After that, simply generate the audio and listen back to the result. If the laugh sounds too subtle, try tweaking the wording around it or lowering the stability a little more. If it sounds too strong, increase the stability slightly until it feels right. The goal is to make it sound like a real conversational laugh, not something forced. A good tip is to keep the rest of your sentence natural and simple so the laugh cue blends in smoothly. The more conversational your script sounds, the better the final output usually is. And because ElevenLabs V3 supports emotional control, you can experiment with other expressive cues as well, once you get comfortable with the basics. So in short, open the speech synthesis dashboard, choose 11v3, lower the stability to around 30% to 40%, and place your laugh cue inside square brackets in the script. That's the fastest way to add a laugh in ElevenLabs and make your voiceovers sound more lifelike. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.